Okay, it is time to, what is it? Random pick through the comments to give away the little hearts I made. And I'm also made some new Flair today for the 4th of July because I thought they would go good with the little 4th of July design hearts. And so I think I have, every time I'm wondering, do I have my ULR thing on there? I think it is. Okay, and now I just need to get my YouTube comments. Oh, something, I gotta do that. Okay, I forget I have to hit it twice. Okay, start the raffle. Much faster than last time. Okay, it is Kathleen. I'll probably pronounce it wrong, so I'm just going to spell it. It's Tingue. So you are the winner. I don't know if you can see that, but Kathleen Ting. I don't know. I'm really bad at this. Really bad at pronouncing names I haven't heard before. So if you are on the RTS, you can just go to Instant Messenger and message me from there, and I will need your address and I will get it out to you as soon as tomorrow. And let's see, and otherwise I think maybe it's, I don't know, I'll put my email address in the drop down of this video down there, there. Okay, so I think that's it, and congratulations. We'll talk with you soon. Bye-bye.